In this video, we're going to go over the 5 simple steps to launching a dropshipping brand from scratch in today's market. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's tried and failed before, this guide is going to provide you with the most proven, predictable, and profitable path you could ever possibly go down. Now, coming into this space, this video would have saved me tons of failure, so I can promise you after watching this, you'll know exactly what path to go down, how to cut through the noise, and how to prevent yourself from running into the same booby traps that I ran into after listening to all the fake gurus out there. You need to follow one proven, predictable path and not run around in circles listening to 20 different people telling you different things. Trust me, you'll be running around getting nowhere. Now, this is the same 5-step strategy that also led me to make over 11 million in sales over the past 5 years, which has been able to free me and all of my loved ones from any financial issues. So stick around to the end of this video, and while you're at it, like, comment, and hit the subscribe button if this video brings any value. So let's get into it. The only 5 things you need to know to start a multi-million-dollar e-commerce business. We're going to find one unique dropshipping product that's brand new to the market, targets a broad audience, has high margins of a 5x markup, and lastly, solves some sort of insecurity or enhances someone's life emotionally. Let's think about some of the most profitable dropshipping niches and products of all time. Shapewear makes you look skinny. Health products, like the posture corrector, that significantly boosts confidence and helps the users feel more comfortable and assured with their posture. Beauty products like acne cleansing devices, fitness products like the 9-in-1 fitness board or those fitness tracking rings, home decor like projectors that spark certain emotional triggers and create peaceful auras in environments, etc., etc. Okay, people make millions of dollars with these products every single day for a few reasons only, because these products A, solve some sort of insecurity or enhance someone's life emotionally in some shape or form. B, these are industries typically with high margin for profitability. And C, they're targeted towards large demographics, which ensures profitability and scalability with just about any marketing strategy out there. On to step number 2, which is to build a website and brand it to make it appear as if you're the inventor of this unique product you've chosen. This is almost a fake it until you make it approach, but not exactly, okay? If you make it appear as if you invented the product, yet not directly make that claim, you'll in turn give the perception to the customer as if you're the only seller for the product, which gives you a branded, authentic, small business feel to your website and to your branding. This, in turn, is going to build trust with your audience, and with trust, people buy. You need to invest time into step 2, otherwise steps 3 and 5 are not going to work. Okay, step 3 is where things get interesting though. This is where we start marketing, and marketing is 80% of the equation here. Okay, I've seen horrible products do amazing online because of great advertising and marketing. And personally, after testing almost every single marketing strategy out there online, like Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, SEO, TikTok Shop, etc., I discovered that using UGC creators to create and post organic content for you is by far the easiest and most profitable strategy you can run as a beginner in 2025. And by the way, UGC stands for user-generated content. For example, a brand like Gymshark effectively uses fitness enthusiasts to create authentic content for them that resonates with their audience. They post the content online organically, and then they also use this content to run ads with. And for yourself, you have 2 options here starting out. Option A, the budget-friendly option, is to create the content yourself, film, edit, post all the videos and get as many views as possible, which is what most people do. And option B is to hire UGC creators to do all the work for you and or give them affiliate commission of around 20 to 40% per sale. It just really depends on how fast you want to move. Now, when it comes to marketing, the most valuable asset you can invest in is content. Posting on a daily basis will grow your following, it'll get you out of the trenches, and it's by far the most reliable and proven way to grow a real brand. Most beginners out there make the mistake of creating half-assed content and blowing all their money on Facebook ads, TikTok ads, etc. What you need to do in the beginning is invest 80% of your capital into content, and then the final 20% into actually buying ads when the time comes. And by going down this organic UGC route, you'll be able to establish proof of concept for free with little to no risk. You're going to be able to prove your product works and also be actively investing into your most valuable asset as an e-commerce brand, which again is content. Win-win. Moving into step 4. After the organic content system is built and you have organic traffic and sales are flowing in on a consistent daily basis, you're then going to transition into paid ads and set up warm traffic retargeting campaigns on a low budget. Retargeting ads are when you show ads to your potential customers based on their previous interactions with your brand. Whether they visited your website, maybe they liked a post, maybe it was on their explore page, maybe they watched 100% of your TikTok, maybe they've commented on your post, etc. These are the types of people retargeting ads hit. And these are extremely important because these ads are only being shown to a crowd of people who are actually interested in your product and they're more willing to buy, which is why you'll always see higher conversion rates with retargeting ads, making it very low risk yet highly profitable when you do transition into paid ads in the time don't. Okay? And that leads me into the last and final step here, step 5. Push in the cold traffic with paid ads and scale to the moon from here. Step 5 happens once steps 3 and steps 4 are working. Once you have an efficient and successful organic content system running and you have successful warm traffic retargeting ads running, then and only then you move into cold traffic paid ads. And this is the easiest step. Okay, this is when people make boatloads of money. This is when you get your first break. When I first started out, I failed for around 5 months straight losing money, but then I finally found a winning angle with paid ads, and then I just kept increasing the budget every single day. I made $320K in revenue and $60K in profit back in 2020 in just 1 month at 18 years old. And this is how people make money quickly with dropshipping. They don't see all the work that has to go into steps 1 through 4 before being able to scale paid ads. Okay, take your time, follow my guidance, invest your time and money in the proper assets and activities, and you'll inevitably go down the correct path and get to step 5 and make lots of money. And there you have it, the 5 simple steps to starting a dropshipping brand in 2025. Now that you have the information, the most important step is actually starting and actually executing on the work. Set a start date for yourself right now on your calendar. Prepare for that start date, build a new work schedule around this, and most importantly, have fun. Okay, if you want to follow my full strategy guide, all my blueprints, community strategies, deliverables, check the link right in the description of this video. But yeah, that's all for me today. If you want to learn more about starting, check out this video going over my product research strategy shown right here on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.